Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make photo collage in Photoshop in 2024. First, open a new canvas. Then, click on View and select New Guide. In this window, select Horizontal and set the position to 50%. Click on OK. Again, click on View and select New Guide. This time, select Vertical and set the position to 50. Then, add a new layer. Change the color by clicking here and select any color you prefer. Next, tap on the Rectangle tool. Select the upper right rectangle. Right-click on it and select Fill. For contents, choose Foreground Color and set the opacity to 100%. Click OK. Now, select Unselect and then deselect. Do the same thing for the rest of the rectangle. Now select the first rectangle that you did. Go to File, tap on Place, and select double-click on the image you want to add. Now resize and position it. Then, right-click on the layer of the image, and then select Create Clipping Mask. Do this for the rest of the collage. And that's it! You have now successfully made a photo collage in Photoshop 2024. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tricks and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!